Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by forming the future continuous, will be plus verb ing. For example, you will be studying. Once formed, use a clear future time marker so meaning is specific. You should practice with simple verbs first. Pick 5 verbs and make quick sentences like, tomorrow at 6 I will be eating. Make sure to keep the progressive form, not the simple future, because it shows action in progress rather than a single occurrence. Once you can form it, connect the tense to context. Use it for planned ongoing actions, predictions about duration, and polite questions. Practice negatives and questions. You will not be working. Will you be working? Also combine with when/while clauses to show overlap. When she arrives, I will be waiting. Make sure to vary subjects and verbs so you feel the pattern. This helps you internalize the form and choose it correctly in live conversation. Finish by practicing and troubleshooting. Do 10 quick prompts daily where you form future continuous sentences under time pressure. If you mix it up with the simple future, pause and ask why. Do you need duration or a single action? Once done, try swapping to present continuous to check meaning. If it still fits, your future continuous might be unnecessary. If errors persist, isolate verb forms and rehearse.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.